Fire.
Fire.
Where you at, Lee? You was just talking all this shit.
Nick,
like,
put the beat on the 6th.
Yeah.
Put the beat on the 6th.
There ain't nobody.
That ain't nobody.
Let's go ahead. Like, he's going. He's trying. No, come on, Lee. Let's go. You right here. Don't try. Yeah, don't try to push it off on nothing, nigga.
They got me rosé too.
Yeah, let's go. Listen. Yeah.
We getting chiseled, what you niggas forgetting. We got TV in the wheel bigger than the one set in the kitchen. Go to war like the Bloods and them Christians. Go to forward, then I'm dumping that blicker. Nigga, we could war till them cops come. I got a 4 in the automatic shotgun. Shit to make the cops run. Lay off, you better parlay, partner, cause I got an AR equipped with a grenade launcher. One cop, one shot, arms, legs off you. I was taught to chill and do what I was taught to do. Play the field and ball through them quarters too. Niggas blitzing, so I'm calling out them audibles. I ride by cutting things off. The AK sound like I'm cutting on a chainsaw. Now I'm getting changed up. Shit looks strange, dog. That's why I'm packing the biscuit, why I'm cracking the Dixon. Play the block like I'm shacking position. Listen. I was taught by a boss, move coke to my coach who used to coach me in ball. I done touched all type of paper. That's why the coke all white like typing paper. You a type of hater. Catch me in the mint colored shirt going right with gators. Hater, when I show off, dog, it's 6 chains on my neck. I'm Mr. T without the mohawk, dog. Not from 18, but I got 18 that I hop out and spray things. Glock pops 18. Shit, I'm a LA rookie with an 8-shot Desi. Cause where I'm from, you get off for talking. Plus, I roast beef like it's Boston Market. Plus, I'll show you how a slugger feel. From the 5-shot 8 with the motherfucking muzzle grill. Now wait, y'all better pull y'all brakes. I bought a 357 with the bulldog face. Blah! Yeah, you in some danger. I got a few in the chamber. I ain't new with them bangers. Plus, I bought a nice mag with a silencer that looked like a bike pad. We can let the motherfucking pipe blast until them red and blue lights flash. And I'm back in the trash man dicky with a white mask and the butcher knife. Tell me what it's looking like. Hey, young boy, yeah, we could get it cooking, right? I'd rather load up the pump. Hey, man, roll up a blunt, then we roll up a chunk. One arm out the window. Shot to his trunk, make his car do an endo. Get rowdy, dog. I bought a 10-shot Cali, dog. And get your wig rocked. Less than the alley, dog. Yeah.